Hello, hello, hello. Welcome all. Welcome back to the stream, guys. Yesterday we weren't there, so today we will do the left out part. I have done some progress in the meanwhile because I was facing some issues on the last stream, if you guys remember, and I fixed all those issues, and now we are back with it. And this is how the UI looks like. Don't worry, this is a dummy UI. I worked on the UI first because UI gives me some confidence. Once I see some UI, then I get a little bit of confidence. So I created a dummy UI right now. I'm able to log in, and this is the screen. Now now today's goal is to like create the API for this particular orders list, and then show like fetch the real time orders from there. From here we can see the API call here, and then we will show the real time orders over here. So that is the goal for today. Right, on after the stream, many people have texted me on LinkedIn like review my resume or asking for some reviews and some issues. So that if anybody want to do that, you guys can always ping me on LinkedIn. Let me open YouTube files. Show it in the app. You guys can hear me, right? Yeah, perfect. Okay, I somehow. Let me start this application. Currently, this application start. Okay, so it's re-rendering. Okay, yeah, token is being persisted. So that is what I wanted. Hello, Anirudh Gamer. How are you, bro? Hello. So this is the basic authentication that we use. This is a hook. You can see this is the main core logic of this authentication. So this hook use Google authentication is simply like see this const authenticate, and it's a callback method. And I have did some testing and all, that's why I added so many test cases, but this is the main logic. Session await authenticate with Google, await Google token. Till the time we get the Google token, we will wait, and once we get, we'll save the session on authenticated and also mark those as true. Okay, so this is very basic. This line 75 line number is the most important line over here. Hello Badal, how are you, Mancha? How are you, bro? Hello, guys. Did I miss something today? How are you guys? How are you? How's your Monday going? You guys can see my screen. Yeah. So where is the codex? There is one feature of Codex that I tried yesterday when I was out. I connected my MacBook with my mobile phone, like the Codex part. Now from the mobile phone, I can do all the coding right now, and that is like really good best thing, bro. Like I don't even have to open my desktop right now. Okay, I forgot one thing. I forgot to mention the link in the Discord. So let me open the Discord. ही पोलिसा सुख तुपातली तिला मोराचा लागला ना. Okay, so we are all set. I hope to. I'm not able to see the changes in the GitHub. I am not able to see the changes in the IntelliJ Git. Fine, Bhaiya. Feeling nervous for tomorrow's Learnathon route. It will be online 10-hour round. 10-hour round is like a really big commitment, bro. Hello, hello, Yash Bhai. Hello, everyone. Daily, there are new things coming up to this chat GPTs. I have news. Yes, tell us, bro. Tell us, bro. What's the news? What's the good news? बताओ भाई बताओ. So let me show you till now what we have. We have basically all the connections required for the Gmail account, right? So these are like basic files. You don't have to look at this API exception handler. I'll change it to global exception handler like we usually do. This client. So this is a API client that we need for this is Google's documented code that we have used. So nothing to check about that. So there is no controller right now. Let me delete this controller folder because that was a test controller. Then yeah, Gmail message count. So I'm using message count, order preview, like whatever the email is coming from the Gmail, I'm converting this to a basic JSON, which is the order table, the order table that we have. In that one, I have to convert the email at the end. So that is what I'm doing over here. And this is a sync. Okay, so whenever a user logs in, I don't have to ask the user again to sync your account. Once he's logged in, I have asked for all the permissions. Once I got the permission, I directly sync the data. And whenever the user comes in, I'll try to show the user the recent data. There is some system design thing that we need to implement. Then these are exceptions. I don't write such exceptions, but AI has wrote these exceptions. I'll change that to my standard format that I have. Search is like, we'll keep it for later. And these are like Gmail services, okay? And then order, this is like basic order entity that we created, if you guys remember, on the second day. Then order atom, which is many to one. Let me show you that diagram. So this is the basic structure that we have: users to orders and orders to order atom. Like one order can have many multiple items. Similarly, one user can have multiple connected accounts like here. So connected emails. So this is what we have built till now. So now today's goal is to like this change this dummy UI. This is currently a dummy UI with the actual API, so that from the actual API we should fetch the data. It should look like as like this. Okay, so I have explained you what I did. Now back to messages. So I think I got a job through a referral. I have to submit the documents to one. Hey, congrats, bro. See, जब से मैं ये देख रहा हूँ ना, whenever the people who are coming back to back into charts, they are like giving really good news. Everybody is getting the jobs who are showing up here. So all the best. Like, congratulations, bro, Yash bhai. अरे और भाऊ क्या क्या हालचाल? Did you change your username? Did you change your username, bro? I'm good. How are you, brother? They told me I'll have to work on multiple projects and I'm free to use AI agents. I think they'll provide an API for it too. Every company is providing the AI right now, bro. Without AI, like they are not letting the employees work because that is the new trend. Wow, new haircut. Yes, sir. Thanks for noticing. Uh, I'm kind of scared. ये मैसेज इतने छोटे क्यों दिख रहे हैं? I'm kind of scared. I wonder if I'll be able to do a good job or not. This is a remote opportunity, and for the first month, I'll have to work alone. Bro, this is like very common thing. Yes, bro. This is very common thing. Whenever you are new to a job, you will get this feeling like, will I be able to do this? Will I be able to do that? मैं वहाँ पे काम कर पाऊंगा? जो task मेरे को assign होगा मैं कर पाऊंगा? सबको everybody goes through this phase, and this is very normal, bro. You will do it. I have seen your work, and you are very much more than capable of doing this initial kind of work. So don't worry about it. You will do good. I know that. Damn, how you got there, man? Yes, bhai. Referral. You got a referral, bro. I need to work on this. I need to make 3 4 sessions on this chart brain. No, we will immediately test it and we will make the changes. Not Eclipse. Hello, hello, bro. How are you? मैं माँ बनती हूँ. Just a second. I got an order. Just a second. Sorry, I had to order some food today because of some issues. Uh, बस मेरा नहीं बस मेरा नहीं जॉब बेंच. अरे नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है ब्रो. यू कीप ट्राइंग. तुम माँ बनने वाले बेंच. ये बहुत ही खतरनाक. आ, शायद अपनी ऑडियंस थोड़ी थोड़ी बकचोद होती जा रही है, ऐसे मेरे को लग रहा है. आई नो, आई नो. लेट मी चेक दिस. Bro, I'm confused about two names. Not Eclipse. I'm confused between two names, bro. And his name, Godslayer. Can you give me your name once? Sorry for asking that again. Uh, भाई यार, आप रेज्यूमे कहाँ से वेरीफाई करते हो? ग्रेट जॉब बाय द वे. अरे मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा काम किया उस चीज़ पे. like I have joined so many sessions. I have connected with some people from जो अच्छे अच्छे कंपनी में जॉब कर रहे हैं. जैसे मैंने एक पहला बंदा जिससे कनेक्ट किया था, ही वाज इनटू उबर, वन फ्रॉम ओरेकल एंड एक अमेजोन से. तो उनके सेशंस वगैरह थे, तो मैंने उनसे सब कुछ डेटा निकाल लिया, सारे पीपीटीज वगैरह सब कुछ. और उससे क्या रिज्यूमे होना चाहिए, कैसे होना चाहिए, what things should not be there, what things should be there, and all of these things. And I have created one skills out of that, and based on that skill I have like created an agent. And मैं मैन्युअली भी करता हूँ पहले, और फिर उसको एजेंट को देता हूँ, एंड देन आई कंपेयर व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स, एंड देन टू एंड फ्रो इट गिव्स मी दी करेक्ट, क्या बोलते, करेक्ट, ये. सो दैट इज हाउ इट इज देयर, एंड इट हैज बिकम रियली गुड. Yeah, Kaustubh, yes. Kaustubh bro, yes. Mohit. आयुष, हेलो ब्रो. भैया रेज्यूमे सेशंस भी लाओ एक दिन यार. मेरे को अगर ज़्यादा लोग रिव्यू के लिए पूछेंगे तो आई डू इट ऑन द स्ट्रीम with their permission. If anybody wants to let me show their resume on stream, we will do that. Saturday हो जाए थोड़ा हेल्प होगा. Sure, sure. Not like this, but yeah, it might work. बाइको हिलाइती बाइको. It's saying it has implemented something. अरे मैंने कल रात को कुछ ना कुछ ये किया. Which files it had changed? It's doing somewhere else. Just a second. Let me open it in VS Studio. It does not work like this. It works like ChatBrain. That's what its legal name right now. भाई concepts आता है, बट क्रिएट करने में टाइम लगेगा. तो एआई से प्रोजेक्ट बना दूं? देखो, पहला मैं तो कभी सजेस्ट नहीं, पहला प्रोजेक्ट मैं कभी सजेस्ट नहीं करता हूँ, लेकिन आफ्टर दैट एक सेकेंड यार, ये बहुत ज़्यादा ही परेशान करने लग गया है. इट इज़ गेटिंग आउट ऑफ हैंड नाउ. लेट मी गिव इट अ पॉज. I really not suggest to do your first project using AI. At least try to get hold of all the concepts and syntaxes. After that, subsequent projects may you start using AI. First project you can use AI just to refactor the code and all those things. भाई concepts आता है, ये मैंने पढ़ा. लेटेंट देखते हो क्या? हाँ भाई, कौन नहीं देखता लेटेंट. अभी रिसेंट वाला देखना नहीं हुआ, बट पहला वाला जो रिसेंट में फर्स्ट एपिसोड आया वो देखा है. प्रशांत शर्मा, हेलो हेलो, व्हाट्सअप ब्रदर. There's something fucked up again today. I'm not able to see the changes. Now I can see the changes. Yes, this is what I wanted. ये गए ये महीना पिंजरा. So see, I have came to a logic that I only need last 45 days of emails, and from those emails I need to search for the orders. I don't have to look for the 100 days old or 2 years old orders. I can't even keep that many data in my database, so I have to keep another logic which will erase the data after 45 days, because that is what we have to do. If you guys don't know, that big companies also delete this data, and that is from where I have learned this system design concept, that Amazon deletes its older orders based on different situations. ओ सॉरी पारस पारस आई एम सॉरी ब्रो यार बहुत छोटा दिखता है ये सब ना मेरे को. आई आई गेस आई नीड अनदर डेस्कटॉप ओवर हियर टू लुक एट द चैट. पहले नहीं अ, पहले नहीं ही 1 साल कम काम किया ही था. नहीं समझा मैं. पहले नहीं है 1 साल काम किया है था. अच्छा अच्छा. लेटेस्ट एपिसोड में लास्ट बंदा इज नेक्स्ट लेवल भाई. इतनी हंसी आया डाम. ओ रियली. डोंट बताओ मत मेरे को. डोंट टेल मी. I'll look at it. भाई पारस. सॉरी. सॉरी भाई प्रशांत. What are you building? I'm building this Orders app, bro. I'm building this Orders app, brother. So this Orders app is like, I have explained it multiple times now what I'm building. So this is the complete UI of it. I'm trying to get all my orders under one hood, and it should also show the OTP. UI में OTP नहीं दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, but यहाँ पे you see, I want this OTP to be shown over here as well. And there are some other subsequent features that I'll implement, but this is the basic that I'm trying to build over here. सॉरी. सॉरी पारस. सॉरी प्रशांत. मेरे को आइडिया नहीं आ रहा है, तो सोच रहा हूँ किससे किसी का आइडिया उठा लूँ. आइडिया क्या नहीं, कितने सारे आइडियाज है ब्रो. कोई भी आइडिया उठा लो, कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि यू कैन पिक एनीबॉडीज आइडिया. दैट्स नॉट एन इशू. मैं ट्राई हार्ड लीड कोड करने. यस यस यस. वर्क ऑन लीड कोड ब्रो. आई एम ऑल्सो मेकिंग समथिंग फॉर द लीड कोड as well, my own platform, because I have tried and tested all the other platforms and none of them has really worked. So let me show you. मैंने कुछ तो बनाया था इसका. Let me show you that UI. This is what I'm building for myself. I have built a graphs wala page, and now I can add the multiple lead code problems to it as I go forward. I'll test this and I can make these changes as well. This is just for me. I'm not gonna share it with anybody, but anybody who wants to use it, we will see in the future. But right now, this is what I want, because I have it in Notion, and Notion is not that capable of doing all those things. Okay, so this is my own list that I'll create. Personal tracker. मैं चला ट्राई हार्ड. यस गो. अरे भाई इट्स पारस. अरे सॉरी प्रशांत ब्रो. सॉरी पारस ब्रो. जस्ट जोकिंग ब्रो. आई नो यू आर पारस. फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने रॉन्ग प्रोनाउंस किया, बट आई नो योर नेम. पारस शर्मा. लास्ट 3 days के प्रॉब्लम ऑफ द डे करो, तुम्हारा आधा गेम थेरी कवर हो जाएगा. ओके ओके. I don't go in that way. I'm just focusing on graphs right now. मैंने रिसेंटली इंटरव्यूज वगैरह दिए हैं एंड पीपल हैव जस्ट आस्क्ड ग्राफ्स ग्राफ्स ग्राफ्स, सो मेरे को इधर उधर मुंह मारने नहीं है. Okay, find by account ID. This is persistence layer. Test. Client will not have anything. The problem is I don't know much about like Google's API, so I'm not able to figure that out on the go. These are all Gmail sync related things. This order is what we have. So placed at. So this field wasn't there, so it added. Okay, nice. Placed at. मेरा प्रीवियस मैसेज पढ़ लो, बेस्ट आइडिया है, इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं किया जा सकता. लास्ट मैसेज क्या था? कौन सा वाला मैसेज ब्रो? मैंने सब तो पढ़े तुम्हारे मैसेज. मैं चला ट्राई लीड कोड करने, दैट तो आई रेड ना. कौन सा मैसेज नहीं पढ़ा मैंने? भैया एआई ड्रिवन लोड बैलेंसर फाइनल ईयर प्रोजेक्ट कैसे बनाऊंगा? टीचर से कहाँ है रिसर्च पेपर पढ़ो. टीचर ने कहा है रिसर्च पेपर पढ़ो. हाँ तो रिसर्च पेपर क्या होगा लोड बैलेंसर पे ब्रो? यू हैव यू हैव टू रीड ऑन द गूगल और चैट जीपीटी से पढ़ लो ना क्या है लोड बैलेंसर क्या नहीं. इट्स अ बेसिक, मतलब आइडिया इज वेरी सिंपल, implementation might not be that simple, but once you understand how it's implemented, it will be easy. Let me do it for you. I guess you are confused. Let me do it for you. Laptop charge करने दो. uh, 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 yeah, Design Gurus is the best site. If you can take this, इसका मेरे पास सब्सक्रिप्शन भी था कुछ समय पहले, अभी नहीं है, बट यू कैन यूज दिस ब्रो. चेक दिस लिंक ब्रो. ये वाला पढ़ लेना, यू विल गेट टू अंडरस्टैंड पार्थ शर्मा हाउ द लोड बैलेंसर हैज बीन इम्प्लीमेंटेड. विष्णु शर्मा, हेलो विष्णु शर्मा ब्रो. भाई ग्राफ में क्या लेवल पूछ रहे हैं इंटरव्यू में? रॉटन ऑरेंजेस टाइप्स क्वेश्चन ब्रो. रॉटन ऑरेंजेस इज द वन दैट्स बीन आस्क्ड. उसके अराउंड ही अलग अलग मेरे को वो क्वेश्चन पूछा था. आई हैव बीन आस्क्ड विद दैट क्वेश्चन, वाटर एंड आइलैंड वाला. सो दैट क्वेश्चन आई वाज एबल टू सॉल्व दैट, सो आई वाज रियली हैप्पी दैट डे कि अपना ये डेली स्ट्रीम करना फायदा दे रहा है अपने को. बेसिक ही पूछते, तुम्हें बहुत बड़ा नहीं पूछते भाई. ग्राफ्स वाला, बाइनरी सर्च वाला नहीं। यही लेवल है भाई। अगर इफ यू आर प्रॉपर एप्टीट्यूड क्वेश्चन होता, मतलब इफ देयर वाज अ प्रॉपर एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट, देन दे आस्क लिटिल डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस, बट ऐसे ऑन द इन द इंटरव्यू दे इंटरव्यू जस्ट गिव द क्वेश्चन एंड यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट। उस कंपनी का नाम मैं भूल गया भाई, मेरे दोस्त ने रेफरल दिया था मेरे को। इट वाज नॉट दैट बिग, मतलब फेमस कंपनी बट है, मैं नाम भूल गया अभी उसका। या कंपटीशन इज ऑलवेज देयर ब्रो। कंपटीशन हर एक लेवल में कंपटीशन है ब्रो। 4-5 years में भी और कंपटीशन है। द कंपटीशन, and I'll tell you guys, there is new kind of a job is going on, is like FDE. If you guys have seen some things about that, you guys can research about that. I have been called to, नहीं नहीं कोफोर नहीं है, नहीं, ऐसी एक कंपनी थी, मेरे को सर्च करना पड़ेगा यार, क्या था वो, पुणे की एक कंपनी थी। आ, भाई पर मुझे तो इंटरव्यू ही नहीं मिल रहे ब्रो। अप्लाई, कीप अप्लाइंग। अभी तो फिलहाल वही सॉल्यूशन है। कंपनी थोड़ी स्टैगनेंट हो गई है फिलहाल ना। हम्म। आई थिंक दिस फॉरवर्ड डिप्लॉयड इंजीनियर का रोल, मतलब फॉरवर्ड डिप्लॉयड इंजीनियर का जो मार्केट है बढ़ता बढ़ता जा रहा है। सो कीप आई ऑन दैट फॉरवर्ड डिप्लॉयड इंजीनियर। आई वाज थिंकिंग टू लाइक make a video on that. I'll research everything about that, and will give you a proper document what the exactly forward deployed engineer is, and what a fresher should do, what a experienced person should do. इस पर फीडबैक दो फॉरवर्ड डिप्लॉयड इंजीनियर पे। Yeah, I'll give a complete video, don't worry. This weekend I'll make a video on this. Like I have done some research, but that's not enough for me to answer. नहीं, मैं नहीं समझा फिर क्या बोलना चाह रहे हो। I guess this is ready. मैं नहीं समझा पारस, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू से। This repository has been created. I created basic repository with optional find user by ID merchant query. Select order record from order record. We order record user ID order by this. So this is something to find out, but this will not work in long term. This will fail in long term. If suppose there are 1 million users, how this query is supposed to work? No, it will not work. There is one controller has been created. So this is what I'm concerned about. Get orders, return query get orders. Okay, this is the API that we will use. Okay, and then sync is gonna used internally. So I gave the command that you should sync while logging in and when we are on the order space. So that 2 times. Guys, don't take the likes back. It's really frustrating me seeing these things. You're liking, then taking the like back. नहीं, resume drive link. रेज्यूमे ड्राइव लिंक मैं नहीं समझा भाई। पारस, इस पर फॉरवर्ड डिप्लॉयड, इस पर फीडबैक दो। नहीं, रेज्यूमे ड्राइव लिंक कौन सा रेज्यूमे ड्राइव लिंक? Parth Sharma, by the way, this tiny URL was for you. It was based on the load balancer that you asked. भैया स्क्रीन पे क्या चल रहा है? स्क्रीन पे दो चीजें चल रही है. Are you asking about the strip, or are you asking about the project that I am building right now? So if you are asking about the project, this is the Orders app that I am building, and I have successfully created these three steps and created the UI for the four steps, which is the core of this, showing all the orders at one place. So this is how it's looking right now. Okay, now I'm building the API for this orders, and I'll connect this orders API. Once I test it in the will I be able to test it in the Postman? No, I won't be able to, because Google test token देता नहीं है और एक ही code देता है that I can't use again and again. So I'll connect that API over here. Okay, so that is what I'm building. That is what is on the screen right now. I was reviewing the code by the AI. Yes, yes, देख रहा. Okay. And Parth, you like give some dedicated time on this, because the question load balancer, the same question you asked me last week. So you are progressing very less, not less, but I'm sure you are going to college, and many things would be going on. But start at some point. Don't just read and do research. Okay, just start at some point. Vishal Oja, hello bro, how are you, brother? Welcome to the stream. No, bro. YouTube doesn't allow the links, external links. So I'm not sure. You have to give it to me on the LinkedIn or Discord. If you are in the Discord, then you can paste it there, because it's not me, it's YouTube. YouTube doesn't allow external URLs. I'm not sure why, due to some safety reasons. Aditya Mishra, why I'm not consistent, and when it's near 7 a.m., I'm getting power to do things but not able to complete it everything and regretting daily. Bro, this is a common problem, but you are starting at 7 a.m. That is good. When it's near 7 a.m. and I'm getting power to do things but not able to. So set yourself a target before opening the lid of your laptop. Set yourself a target कि मेरे को इतना इतना करना है. I have to do this many things, and then that's it. Don't overcommit or don't undercommit. Start with the basics tasks first. You will do it, bro. The message you sent, it's showing that you are willing to do something and you are trying things out, but somewhere there is some gap, but you will conquer it very easily. Hey, I want to test it. Why it's I gave a very big task to it. I need some guide. I'm building a app for say internships, jobs, but let's say a month later I get many users. So planning that, where should I host DBA backend etc. Uh, the best approach is to, bro, Dockerize your application locally first. Vishal, Dockerize your application locally first, like how I Dockerize each and every application, because whenever you go online, like whenever you want to deploy it, you just deploy this particular image that you have, and you don't have to worry about how to scale that, because as your audience grows you can choose the better options available in the market. If you have too much of audience, you can go with the Kubernetes. Okay, any Kubernetes you can go with, and then there is an option of auto populating the pods as your audience grows, and it reduces the pods as the audience goes away. So you don't have to think about that in the beginning. Just create the dockers. just create dockers, and whenever you are gonna deploy it, I have deployed it on your on the stream 9798 on the AWS EC2 instance, which is the basic version. So you can do that in the beginning. As the audience grows, you can install the Kubernetes on that instance and do the next things. Okay, and guys, do like the stream, Yara. I didn't say this today, but do like the stream, and that is very important for me. So kindly don't forget to like the stream. Okay, thanks. And no need to worry about DB migrations and all, right? No, 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 no. Once you go to production, then you have to worry about migrations. Till the time, you don't have to worry about the migrations. Because think, once you have the real data, the production data, and you have to do some change. For example, I'll show you one change that I did over here. So this placed at, it's just adding one column, but what about the older data where this column was not present? What will you do? So for that, you need to have migration. So the chart, whichever the AI agent that you are using, it will tell you when to have migration. But right now, don't worry about the migration. Release your first MVP. Release your first MVP, and then think about all the other things. You will eventually figure out. ओके ओके भाई कितना गुस्से में लिख रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है पारस भाई। डिस्कॉर्ड पे भेजा है, देख लो भाई। हाँ। ब्रो व्हाट इज दिस यूआरएल? Oh, you are sending your own this, bro. Before sending the resume, you should tell me because it has your क्या बोलते हैं, फोन नंबर ना, सबको दिख जाता है। रेप्लिकेशन का क्या यूज है फिर? रेप्लिकेशन किस में ब्रो? डेटाबेस रेप्लिकेशन? Yeah, you have to keep the copy of your database, and it's very easy. Once you, if you have, I use MySQL for everything. You can like go in the reverse engineer for mode in the option in the MySQL. I'm giving you an example of MySQL workbench. From there, you can extract the scripts, table scripts, as well as insertion scripts, like how the data has been inserted. So you can get this script, and in whichever the database you want, you can insert those data. But it works when your database is low, but for us the application's data will not uh, grow. Like millions is also less for MySQL and database, so don't worry about that. Okay. डेटा रेप्लिकेशन और माइग्रेशन में क्या डिफरेंस है? आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट रेप्लिकेशन, मैंने रेप्लिकेशन यूज नहीं किया है कभी. Let me, because I have some untouched topics in the system design as well. Let me see, maybe I have used it unknowingly. Acha, it's a multiple. यहाँ पे yes yes yes, we have, I have used this. Data replication is something different, bro. So data replication is like I am sitting in Pune, so my nearest server maybe, for example, Mumbai. So I should have the company, the product that I'm using should have their database replica present in the Mumbai server. Not that I have to go and hit the Europe server, so it will take so much of time. But if somebody is from London is trying to hit, so he should have the nearest server. So that is what replication is. I'm guessing it from the diagram, and I have used that because I worked in MNC companies, and we have like replicas in Europe server, East US, West US, Asia, different servers we have. Migrations is like different, bro. You have to write your own migrations. It's not that migration. He's saying migration is like. Am I confusing or you guys are confusing? Migrations is like once your data is on the production and you have to like change something in the table structure, then you have to write your migrations in that case. Yeah, adding or altering columns mostly, yes. Maybe you are confusing little bit. Today was good day, but hello Atharva. Welcome to the stream, sir. Guys, keep liking the stream, yeah. I don't have because you guys are not seeing me testing the application. That's why you guys have stopped liking, but don't do this. Kindly don't do this. Today was good day and but a very little bit bad evening. क्या हुआ बताओ? Give us the update, bro. अथर्व, give me the update. Yes, also the replication is used for disaster recovery too. Let's say your DB gets deleted. Huh, yeah. Database, the bigger companies have so many database copies maintained with different algorithms and logic. But most of the companies outsource all these things to companies like Atlassian and all. They're like तुम ये मुसीबत झेलो मेरे को बस 24 hours database दे दो, that's it. Also the I've used Microsoft Azure DevOps, and DevOps has the same feature, so we don't have to think about that. We just have to create our resources and Microsoft takes care of everything else. हॅलो. नाही, मी ना आता कॉलमध्ये, मी तुला बोलतो नंतर, काम चालू आहे माझं. उद्या मी सकाळी लावतो फोन तुला. Let me do. एक सेकंड. Docker compose up -b -build. So let's build the complete app now. Uh, let's say your DB deleted Paras. Yes, that is true for CDNs also, but doesn't it cover the needed database change scenarios? Yes, that is true for CDNs also, but doesn't it covers the need database change scenarios? Yeah, when it change, every other copy changes. Migration is something like a git commit, something like git commit. No bro, you have to write migration. I can show you one of the projects. हमने एक stream पे लिखा था migration. Maybe URL shortener या कौन से project में लिखा था. I wrote the migration, flyway migration I used, and guys, please like the stream, yaar. You guys are not liking the stream. What happened? Kindly hit the like button, bro. Uh, not I'm not able to connect with it. Yash, ki exactly like git commit. I'm not sure. It's not exactly git commit. It is a file. Wait, I'll show you in one of the projects. Mm, I hope I still have that migration because I remember I removed it. I was facing some issue. Let me open that project. Mhm, mm, 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 mm. Just a second, I'm searching if I have migration written in any of the project. I'll show you if I have. Mhm. I guess I deleted it. uh, ब्रो ये जो ब्रो ये झूठ बोल रहा है कॉल पे नहीं। ब्रो मैं ये नहीं बता सकता ना ऑफिस में मेरे। आज इजी लेवल प्रॉब्लम पे काफी टाइम लग गया होता है ब्रो मैट्रिक्स बाउंड्री ट्रैवल से। इट्स नॉट ए somebody took my like back again. You guys, I'm not gonna chat with you guys now. Prisma main migration is kind of a git commit. I'm not sure about that. ये लोग ज्ञान कितना देने आते हैं। बंदा आके बोला है डे 52 पे बस इतना। इतने टाइम में तो लोग पता नहीं कहाँ पहुंच जाते हैं। पीपल आर लाइक दैट ऑलवेज। Yeah, versioning, yes, versioning is correct. Okay, okay, that's how you are trying to connect with it, bro. Yeah, 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 yeah. We have to write different versions like V1, V2, V3, and that's how it's work. Okay, okay. Now I'm able to connect with you. Mhm. I don't have to. We have to go down now. Give me the API URL and info to on the front end side. इट वर्क्स लाइक वर्जनिंग या रेट दैट ट्रांसफॉर्मर ब्लास्ट हो गया है मेरे एरिया में। कल मेरे यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इशू था। फुल ह्यूमिडिटी। ओके ओके। क्या हुआ यश ब्रो? आई गेस आई फाउंड द माइग्रेशन फॉर यू टू शो। No, I have deleted the migration. Sorry guys, I have deleted the migration because काम हो गया था. So let's implement this API. Uh, me prompt directly. क्या हुआ ब्रो? मैंने कुछ नया करा है, कुछ सीखा 4-5 दिन में, बताओ. I should have one profile over here. This, after clicking on this, I should be able to sign out because I'm not able to. It's not asking me to log in because I'm persisting the token now. If I go, oh, इसमें application, it's not a browser. Okay, there is no option for me to clear the tokens now. Okay. Now I'm learning JavaScript from YouTube. Chat GPT ने मैटर कर दिया था hallucination. Yes, it hallucinates. YouTube में fast हो रहा है, वैसे Sharia's coding school. Nice. YouTube is better place to learn. We have to implement this API, guys. So that API has been built now, and now I have to like implement this. So I directly got the prompt and give this to another daddy. Hey, it's again on the extra high. So go light. Now the hard task has been done. So let's verify this and let's push this code. Test वगैरह में I'm not interested right now. User ID. Why it wrote this method here? Illegal argument exception. The problem is I can't test this with the postman. So postman doesn't work like this, you know. If I send this, it will say token invalid and I can't generate another token. So let's see on the front end side now. So on the front end side, there is order, not this, not this. Yeah, this here we actually want this. Currently this is like मैंने कुछ नया करा है. Now I read this. Bro, you got any network of people in Nagpur? नागपुर में I have some friends from Nagpur, but they are currently working in Mumbai or Pune. What do you want from Nagpur, bro? Hello, meet. And guys, do like the stream. यार, I'm sorry I'm eating in front of you right now, but आज मेरा खाने का time miss हो गया. खाना भी नहीं था तो I have to order. There is a navigable screen. We have orders right now, so we need to change the dummy orders with the API and keep the component for orders separate as now. Proceed with the changes now. Uh, 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 uh. Code Rush 2.0 hackathon, bro. Shortlisted, clear the PPT screening. Arey, congratulations, bro. So, what do you want in Nagpur? But I won even after that. I made him change his POV. Oh. Even the public was supporting me, fighting with him through the text. Yeah. Congratulations, Smith, on that. It's a really nice thing. Cold Rush 2.0, and you are saying it's in the Nagpur. Let me finish this thing first and we'll. Let me congrats Smith now. There would be the offline on-site hackathon in CT department, Nagpur, and I don't know a shit about anything. I'm just going with my friends. We both are same-minded. In city department Nagpur. Oh, okay, okay. In city department Nagpur, and I don't know a shit about anything. I'm just going with my friend. We both are same-minded. Okay. It's not difficult, bro. In Nagpur, Nagpur is a sorted city. You will not have any problem. I worked in Nagpur as well. You let me know which area you are going. So, and what help from me you need. Nagpur is a good city, good transport and all, good roads. Oh, it pushed the changes as well. What? Okay, let's review this document. We are not reviewing this. So order sync replace the dummy orders currently rendered on home screen with the authenticated backend data while keeping the orders row. Yeah, correct. That is what I have said. And then as a separate reusable component. Yeah, orders row should be a separate reusable component. The front end is intentionally small and currently uses services hook screens. Yeah, that this is what the standard I use for the React. It has no repository dependency injection. Now, we will implement this later. I'll use Redux for this, so don't worry about this. And architecture order service owns HTTP request response parsing. Yeah, true. No repository controller. Let me tell it. If any issues there, I'll tell. Okay, data flow is initial load, keep any displayed orders visible, call sync with force false, call get orders completed cooldown on recoverable sync failure. Okay, this why we need this call sync with force false. Okay, okay, yeah, understood. Replace the list only after successful get response. Preserve. No, replace is not a good thing. Yeah, for this one I'll need Redux. I have to note this down. Preserve the backend order exactly in your sort locally. Uh, can I edit this document? Mm, I don't think we can edit this. So these two things, I for sure I am gonna need Redux for this. I'll implement the Redux. Modify app config and test. Okay, test and all. I don't really care at this point. Guys, kindly like the stream यार. मुझे एक रियलाइजेशन हुआ था जावास्क्रिप्ट को बहुत पेशेंस से देखना होगा. एम आई थिंकिंग इन द यस 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 करेक्ट करेक्ट जावास्क्रिप्ट इज लाइक यू हैव टू ट्रेन इट वेरी स्लोली. इट्स थोड़ा सा अजीब टाइप का लैंग्वेज है बट वंस यू गेट द होल्ड ऑफ इट देन एवरीथिंग इज गुड बट टिल द टाइम यू गेट होल्ड ऑफ इट you go slow. There is a team of five in which me and Sumit are there, and there are three other 1 2 year college students, bro. I'm scared AF. Sumit talked with the chairperson and he said that he is glad that there is 11th class students participating. Uh, this is my first freaking individual tour in national national level hackathon, surrounded by 250 freaking people. Don't worry about it, bro. You are very confident person. I know about you. You will get through it, bro. Are you scared of traveling that far from Rajasthan to Nagpur? In total, how many live streams have you done on this channel, including both private and public? Private, though, I have done so many streams in private because I don't publish all the streams. 118 streams I have done, bro. 115 you can consider. 115 streams I have done in total. It's okay, bro. Mate, just focus on your work, what you want to do. Get your idea sorted, get all the implementation sorted. पहले थोड़ा सा practice कुछ बना लो उसका. Try to create your own thing first because I'm sure you are not sure about the topic because topic पहले नहीं बताते. Try out some things. Get a hand. uh, तुम्हारी टीम में थोड़ा सा coordination बना लो. You know who will do what, how you will work in sync coordination in the hackathon because that is what important. There are some tools people mostly use during the hackathon to share the files, to share the text. Simple चीजें just like API key and token you need during the hackathon. So that's those all things. कैसे तुम शेयर करोगे ये सब बना लेना अपना एक ना. So orders API error. I have to do so many changes in this one. Promise. After this, after this implementation, I'll start doing changes by myself now because I really don't like the code of AI. I'll make the changes. I need some things somewhere. In which college is this hackathon is, bro? Meet? नागपुर में कौन से कॉलेज में है? चिंगल है Orders could not be loaded. Pull down. Okay, it's implementing it. Both scared of the level, also of the hackathon, and even more about the thing that Sumit just pasted some crazy as AI generated idea, and somehow we got under top 50 and shortlisted in it, bro. Not just you, bro. Everybody, other people have also used AI to generate ideas. So don't worry about that. You are in the same league. But I don't know shit how to code such a crazy thing. That's why I said, no, practice it, bro. If you know your idea, then start practicing it right now. Don't वहां पे जाके एकदम से scratch से मत चालू करो. Start something right now that you can do. What's the idea, by the way, if you can share? इस रेज्यूमे का कोई ट्रीटमेंट बताओ, इसने बहुत हेडेक दे दिया है साला. झिंगले ग अंग सारा झिंगले ग. Okay, it's working on it. The PDF, I need a PDF of this. So he's asking, just a second. No API call is being placed. Cannot resolve module. Module is set. 2 मिनट की शांति. हाँ भाई, क्योंकि एकदम से एरर दिख जाए, सब कुछ ही वैनिश हो गया ना. Now I'm completely depending on the codex now to give me this changes. Once he gives me changes, I can start from those, because I want to see if this is really working out or not. I can't spend much of a time if something behind something which really doesn't work. Chum chum karta hai ye nashila batan. There are some errors. It's not even taking my input. Let me kill the terminal and let me start npm start again. Array cd order sub and then do npm did it build? Bro, check the discord. Team knights. A team leader named Sumit Rajpurohit, developing an infrastructure agnostic emergency developing an infrastructure agnostic emergency management platform to automate citizen distress ingestion, semantic triangle, triage, and high speed rescue route optimization during complete cellular grid and बाप रे बाप, मेरे को कुछ नहीं समझा ये क्या लिखा है. Cellular, complete cellular grid communication infrastructure collapse. Okay. अच्छा, emergency management platform to automate citizen distress ingestion, semantic triage, and high speed rescue route optimization during complete cellular. How which technology you will gonna use to communicate, like satellite? Satellite communication? What technology you will use, bro? I think I need to implement first logout button, because of that it has the cached data and it's not able to do this. If I go in the Android studio and shut this down, can I stop this virtual? Let me stop this. Let me restart this. No, it's still cached. High execution core, differentiate existing problem solving mechanism. I want to see your implementation, how you are planning. Citizens access node, name lat, flask, REST API, gateway, validate, filter queue, Python semantic triage engine. This is, what is this? Ingestion, read incoming text items. Bro, check that is why if I send you the full PDF, then would be guide me a bit. 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर, हॉट फूड और मच्छर, और क्या चाहिए आदमी को हमारे अच्छे अच्छे दिन चले. ब्रो, आई एम ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू हैव. मेरे को समझ के लेना पड़ेगा ये क्या है. ट्राइज, हाउ टू बिल्ड सिमेंटिक इंजन इन पाइथन. इट्स, इज इट अ सिमेंटिक इंजन or it's a library? Scans distress text for life safety signals such as trapped and medical, but how it will work, like where you are planning to deploy it, I'm not sure. Model strain graph, weighted graph, and runs priority queue optimized is extra. But for all of this you need internet, right? Bro, I have to like do back and forth with the chat GPT कि how to build this, build that, and then I can help you in that. ऐसे तो मैं नहीं समझ पा रहा हूँ. Core systems logic execution, native C++, 20 algorithm, Digita based. It's so disconnected things. Citizen, web node, mobile interface. Bro, nothing will work in the distress situation. You have to consider that without a basic internet, that is what your goal is, na? How it will work? कहाँ गया वो? A low bandwidth infrastructure independent system designed to auto-tune crisis management during total communication grid. How it will communicate? If you can answer me that, I can answer you some other things. Efficient data ingestion utilizes highly compressed sub 2 KB JSON payloads to transmit distress signals over heavily. How would you send the distress signals? Like what device you will use? And let me reply to Paras. That basically is related to some source kind of thing for emergency in climate disaster. I understood the concept, but I'm not able to understand how you will communicate in when there is no signal. Oh, okay, 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 okay. We got something. Shit, we got something, bro. Prema Sarangayave. Oh, these are all my orders, bro. We got it. So token is being cached. That is the problem I understood. I have to like remove the caching that I've implemented. Now it's working. Bro, I told you that Sumit had generated some crazy shit which I have to wrap up now. I'll get my head around, bro. Yeah, it worked, bro. But no OTP. Let me check the emails. Let me check the emails how it looks. मजा साउनको. Okay, 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 okay. It take. Yeah, this mile store. This order is incoming. I have placed a return order, so it's saying delivered. That is the correct status from Amazon. Let me check the status from Amazon. So if this works, then I have to really write the regex files very well, like the templates. Thank you, Atharva. सका डरावे हृदय वसंत फुलताना. Bro, it's working. Gauri Priyaya. Amount unavailable, unknown. Why it's not showing me the network calls? Due to disconnected. Okay. I'm getting headache so much. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's that SaaS, bro. Finally, I was able to do it. I was keeping it on hold because I had so many other things going on. Now it's there. Good that you remember, bro. Meet. This is the UI that I have for this complete thing. Right now, I'm only doing it with the one email, but I have to like integrate multiple emails in this one. So this was the core logic that I wanted to test, and now it's working. Now I can go move ahead. Finally, I can install it on my phone. Warning: no apps connected. Send reload. Oh, it's saying no apps connected. clear all. Okay, let me send a reload. No apps connected. Let me kill the terminal and let me do npm restart again. Sorry, cd npm start. Okay, open dev menu, open dev tools. Okay, we got the orders API. This is what I wanted to see, and if it's being authenticated, yeah, it is being authenticated correctly. uh these are the IDs. This is the response. Orders v1. Okay, so this part is worked now. Finally, bro. अच्छा, ये ले ऑफ स्कैम। भाई मेरा दर्द, सर बहुत दर्द कर रहा है यार। सो मच ऑफ हेडेक। अच्छा, ये ऑफ कैंपस फ्रंट एंड डेव इंटर्नशिप के लिए क्या करना होगा? क्या मिल भी रही है आजकल? मिलता है ब्रो, सब कुछ मिलता है, ढूंढने से सब मिलता है। शॉर्ट टर्म 3 months yes मिल जाएगा। What framework are you using and is it for iOS only? No, it's for both. That's why I've created it in the React Native front end में, front end React Native में, and backend is in you always like in the Java Spring Boot. So backend is in the Java Spring Boot, front end is in the React Native, and we have successfully implemented the core logic of the system, so that it gives me a confidence that this particular thing is really possible, and now I can build on top of this. So AI has really helped me on this to build the first MVP. So I can see there are multiple issues right now, but the core logic is really working very good. So these are the orders that I've placed till now. Milestone, I ordered some protein atta. Instamart, I ordered some groceries. Instamart is the most ordered thing you will say here. Then from Amazon, I ordered something. Uh, okay, so for these unknowns also, I had to like take care of something. Super socks, yeah, delivered, but then I returned as well. Return is not showing over here, so this is wrong status. Uh, Blank denim is delivered. I ordered some jeans pant. Okay, so yeah, you can like the stream right now, uh, and we can continue on top of this now. सेकंड सेम तक मेरे पास ढंग का प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा होगा। सेकंड सेम तक मेरे पास यस हो जाएगा तुम्हारा। द वे यू आर गोइंग, यू कैन इजीली। कॉफ़ी पिया था आज? नहीं पिया था कॉफ़ी ब्रो। खाना नहीं खाया मैंने, इसलिए मेरे को कुछ जाके खा खा के आना पड़ेगा। ये ऐसी गंदी चीज़ें है दैट आई यूजुअली डोंट ईट ब्रो। Bro, then why not use the Expo to just directly test it on the phone without installing again and again? No, I am testing it on phone, but not right now because currently the stream is going on. मेरे को दिखाना भी है ना, I want to show it on the stream like how it goes. That's why I'm using the emulator. Once the stream ends, I install it on my phone as well. Expo has some limitations, that why I didn't use Expo. मेरे को I want full control in my hand because I know React very well. I don't want to use Expo and all these new frameworks. Like the stream यारो, creator is putting hardcore efforts. Yes sir. आज सच में मेरा सर दर्द कर रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा ही। आज आप पोल नहीं डाल रहे? पोल तो डाला हुआ है ना ब्रो? पोल इज देयर, आई कैन सी 17 वोट्स. पोल डाला हुआ है. So now there are so many things that I have to fix now. And I'm thinking to end the stream because अभी मेरा सर बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द कर रहा है. I know we have just started, but everyone like the like वाला डाला हुआ है. Everyone like the freaking stream. Yes, I am jealous of other moderators. Bro, don't be. मैं तुम्हारा आइडिया को मैं देखता हूँ चैट जीपीटी के साथ डिस्कस करके व्हाट इज इट एंड हाउ टू बिल्ड इट. इफ आई गेट समथिंग देन आई विल शेयर विथ यू ऑन द डिस्कॉर्ड. मॉडरेटर मॉडरेटर भाई भाई. माय लिंक्डइन. ओके. ओके चलो मैं ना एंड करता हूँ यार स्ट्रीम आज बिकॉज मेरा सर दर्द कर रहा है. बट वी गॉट टू अ पॉइंट where we can actually see till this day I was like not very not sure about कि will I be able to combine all my orders from different email accounts and get it at one place. I can see this is possible right now. So this is the MVP1. I can call it MVP1. I was calling it MVP1 and I can see the build in front of me now. Now I have to do the final changes, next changes, not final changes, next changes. So the goal that which I've assigned, successfully fetch the orders from email and show it in the app. So that this is what is done now. Now the competition is between which. No bro, it's not you. Yeah, his meat is right. It's from me how I am portraying it. Bro, what did you use for the UI? uh I created using pen and paper, bro, and then gave it to Claude, and Claude gave me the designs. I created all these pages from hand, pen and paper. यहाँ यहीं पे create किया था, then उसका screenshot लेके I gave it to Claude, and Claude gave me the final UI. Yeah, guys, do like the stream. We have achieved our goal, today's goal, successfully, and now I'm about to end the stream. If you guys want me to come here regularly and uh, create different projects, all lead code, do some system design as well, then you have to like the stream. Then only I can know that you guys are really interested in such in this shit. So that's why you need to like the stream. And whoever has joined the stream, I know I'm ending it very soon today, but my headache is out of hands right now. Yeah. So thank you all for joining the stream. जिसने भी like नहीं किया, kindly like the stream. I'll be back at the same time tomorrow at 10 p.m. and we will continue on the next phase. So in the next phase, I'll try to get the OTPs in this UI. Let me share my screen again. So I want to have OTPs, and there are some status I can see those are wrong. So I'll get that correct now. So we'll see you tomorrow. And we are like way long back on the lead code. I have to back. We have to get back our sheet with the lead code as well. उसको छोड़ के नहीं चलेगा. So thank you all coming to the stream. And till then, take care. Bye bye. We'll see you tomorrow. Good night.